Hey everyone, in this video we will see EcoSmart water heater troubleshooting, quick fixes for no heat, error codes and reset issues. Fix 1 is reset the water heater. Turn off the water heater at the circuit breaker, then wait 2 to 5 minutes. Turn the breaker back on, then check if the unit start heating normally. Second one is check the circuit breaker. Open your home electrical panel, then look for a strip breaker connected to the water heater. Reset it by turning it off and then on. If it trips again, contact an electrician. Third one is make sure the water flows is high enough. Fully open the hot water bucket, then remove and clean the bucket aerator or shower head if water flow is weak. Then test the water heater again. Fourth one is check the temperature setting. Look at the temperature display, then increase the temperature to your preferred setting. Then test the hot water again. Fifth one is troubleshoot error codes. E1 water flow is too low. Open the bucket more and clear the filter. E2 is water is overheating. Turn the unit off and let it cool. E3 temperature sensor problem. Restart the heater, replace the sensor if needed. E5 electrical or voltage issue. Check the power supply and wiring. E8 communication error. Turn the power off in 30 seconds and restart the unit. Thanks for watching.